Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your English class. First of all, tell me how you all are. I hope you all are fine after exams. Now, today we'll start our new chapter, that is lesson 6, Go Green. So, come to the scene 1. A vacant plot in a neighborhood with some bushes and trees. Few children carrying garden tools are grouped around Vikas. So there was a plot which was not in use. Small and big plants, trees were there. Vikas was the name of one of the child, and few children made a group around him and they were listening to Vikas. So Atul, see what Atul is saying. What? You want us to clean up this jungle and grow flowers? No, thank you. I am not a gardener. Jay, neither am I. Aman, I am also not interested. So one of the child is actually Vikas wants all of them to clean the garden, to make it garden. Okay, clean the plot, vacant plot, which is all full of bushes and trees. So he wanted to clean it and make a garden. One of the child is Atul. He speak in a shocked manner. He was asking Vikas that he wanted to clean that plant and clean that vacant plot and plant and grow flowers there. And then he denies that he is not a gardener. He will not work. Then Jay also said that he also showed conformity with Atul. He also denies. Aman said the third boy that said that he was not interested to do so. Then Vikas said, but I am counting on all of you. Think about it carefully. Do you want to have a factory here? Noise pollution, traffic, and where will we play cricket? Then Vikas explained them and told them that he was counting all of them. They would be working with them. They would work with him. So he asked them the questions. If they want noise pollution by having factory there, traffic would also be there. And then he asked them, could they tell where would they play cricket as well? Jay said, alright, we got your point. So where should we start? To clean up this place properly, we need a power spade and Vikas, power spade. Look, we have enough power here. He points at his arm. Come on friends, take your garden tools and show me what you are made of. The children exchange glances. Atul and Aman shake their heads. So Vikas asked him, no, Jay got the point and he said, oh, so he wanted to explain that they would all agree with him and ask him to from where should they start cleaning the plot, and then he asked about the tools from where they would get a spade or tools to clean up. But he does not completed his word, and Vikas said in between that, Vikas asked him power spade by pointing at his arm. My arms are more powerful. You show na arm, that is I am very powerful. He told they have enough power. He asked them to take garden tools which they had, asked them to show their potential. The children look at each other. Atul and Aman nod their head positively. Then Atul said, this place is pretty large. We need more people. Atul said that the place was quite large, so they could not do alone and they need more people to join them in cleaning. Then Priya is the fifth child in between them. We tried Vikas, we tried hard. You were with us when we marched through every lane of our neighborhood shouting, green town, clean town. Jay, and you shouted, go green. Atul,